Did you know that you can add additional options to your doors and frames that may not necessarily be hardware preps but have no home on the order form? Seco Edge has a place for those, and that is called specifications. Specifications is a column on our order forms and can only be found exclusively in Edge. Click on the black box under the specifications column to get a list of additional options you can add. For example, do you need to add a steel top or bottom cap to your door? Click in the blank space under the option type and you will get a drop-down menu of options you can select. For this example, you can see top and bottom cap options at the bottom of the list. When either are selected, you will then choose an option code from the drop-down, where you can choose, in this example, to weld it in, or just apply a standard screw-in option. Here are some specification options you can add to frames. Some things to note regarding specifications. EDI orders coming into Edge from various project management software programs will load any applicable information under specifications, so be sure to review that either under the column or in the print preview. Seco Edge is proud to add additional columns like specifications to speed up the ordering process. The faster orders are processed, the faster we can manufacture, and the faster we can get it out for delivery. Thank you for using Seco Edge. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.